Welcome to the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. Remember, when you pirate software, it hurts everyone. Hey guys, wanted to create you a short video today on how to add the remote server administrative tools to Windows 11, specifically 24H2 and likely newer. Now in the past, it was really easy. We'd just go to a website, download them, and they would install and be done with. But now, with the advent of additional functions and features built into Windows 11, that's no longer the case. I'm going to show you how to do it, which is relatively easy, but not quick. So the first thing you're going to need is an active internet connection, because unfortunately, you can no longer do this offline on Windows 11. The next thing you have to do is hit Start. Then we got to go to Settings. Once we're in Settings, what we're going to need to do now is go to System. And then on the right-hand side, we're going to scroll down to Optional Features. Once you're in Optional Features, you're going to see View Features. And then at that point, you could type in RSAT, or Remote Server Administrative Tools, and see all of your RSAT options in the Settings console on Windows 11. Now, I'm not going to show this in real time because it'll take way too much time, but say we want to install, I don't know, group policy management tools on our Windows 11 system. We would just hit the checkbox and choose Next. And then at that point, we're going to hit Add. Now, it's going to download and install the tool, but it's not fast. You literally could have done this and been done with it and accessing your system on the old version of the RSAT install before this thing will do it. It takes forever on Windows 11. So I'm just going to show this off. We're looking right now, and you'll see that according to the clock here, it's 9:59 a.m. Let's let this continue to do the install, and we'll figure out how long it actually takes to do it. Okay, so the clock just ticked to 10 a.m. Still haven't had that move. That bar is still in the exact same place. Still waiting. 10:01 a.m. Still waiting. Haven't even gotten to the 50% mark yet. This is way better than it used to be, where you could just download the package in about 30 seconds and install it. 10:02 a.m. We're at about 60% now. Still haven't finished. And this is, again, just one of the available packages for the RSAT or the RSAT tools to install on the system. So you can only imagine how long this takes if you do the whole thing. Oh, we got a little bit further that time. Oh, looks like we're just about finished. We're still at 10:02 a.m., but we're not quite there yet. It still says, oh, no, it does say added, so it did finish. We're at 10:02 a.m. and probably some change to do one package. So it took 3 minutes to download one package or the RSAT tool to install on a Windows 11 system. Keep that in mind when you're going to go through the installation, because I think the total amount of packages for the full package suite to install on a Windows 11 system to actually be fully prepared to control your server, when I did it the last time, took about 25 minutes to install. And I'm on a, now mind you, it's not the fastest, but it is fast enough. It's about 600 meg on the connection speed. So on a 600 meg connection speed, it took 20 minutes to install the RSAT tool, which on Windows 10 with the package installer probably take about 45 seconds. Okay guys, so one more time just to do it real quick so you get a, I guess to see it again. It's just Start, Settings, System, all the way down on the right hand side, Optional Features, View Features, and then we just do a search for RSAT. And there you go. There's all the RSAT tools that you can install on your Windows 11 system. But again, if you're going to install every single one of them, plan on 25 to 30 minutes on a 600 meg connection for the install. All right, guys, so that's how you do an installation of the RSAT tools. Any questions, comments, anything else, leave something down below. If you've had alternative experiences or alternate experiences with installing this on your Windows 11 system, haven't had the latency or whatever else, let the people know down in the comments. I'm sure they would like to hear it, but at least from my experience, it's buggy and extremely slow like everything else in Windows 11, so just be prepared for 20-25 minutes on a full 600 meg connection to download and install the RSAT tools on your Windows 11 system. Again, thanks for watching. Take it easy. Thank you for watching the Generic Tech Support YouTube channel. Find the content of this video at https://generictechsupport.com/channel.